Hello everyone, today we'll be teaching you how to quickly produce multiple styles of design drafts with just one click. First, let's switch in 3D mode. Find display mode. There are 4 different styles of design. The first is the material mode we are now displaying, which shows the material color and shadow effect of the scheme. The second is the wireframe mode. You can see the white model more clearly. You can place a model in the public library on the right. That will automatically match the pattern. The third is a combination of the first to material plus wireframe. You can see more details of the presentation. The last mode is transparent material. There are no materials or colors. You can choose between the 4 different modes, according to your preference. Get into Coohom and try it out.